I forgot to add this to the auto air control valve video, so I'm gonna just go ahead, film this, and then add it before the video. I'm replacing the air filter with a part number FA-1744. It's a Motorcraft air filter. It's like $20 on Amazon. You want to come down here, release one clip, and on the back side here, another clip. Release them. Pull your intake up and out of the way. You can remove all its hosing, but I don't. I just lift it up. It has a fan filter in it now that I'm gonna take out. It's dirty, you know. It's picked up some stuff. Personally, that thing is restricting a crap ton. I don't know why, but I ran it without it, and it ran so much better and idled right. That filter, for some reason, doesn't work right with this vehicle. I'm not going to blame Fram. A lot of mechanics do. Personally, I don't like them, but I'm going to leave it at that. I'm just going to leave it straightforward, honest. So here's your Motorcraft part. It comes in a little baggie. Original equipment. I don't have my blade, so let me just rip this open real quick. Hercules. Get that open. Put that in there. And basically, you just want to lift up your air box. And drop it in, just like that. And then you got these tabs in your air box you need to line up. Best way to do this is to grab your air box. You want to push it this way until you see these three tabs line up, and then they're fully seated in. Then you want to grab your clips and clip these into place. Just like that. Give it a few shakes, let it fall into place. It is such an eerie sight when the sun is up on one side of you and it's literally a pitch black cloud on the other side. I would show you guys, but it's raining just a little bit. I don't want my phone to get wet. Also, that's the old gasket from the auto air valve from the old bracket that we broke. Stay tuned, you'll see that coming up. But that's how you replace your air filter too. Now, on with the video. Reason you would want to replace this is hard starts or not having an idle at all. Also stolen or having issues where it revs up really, really high and sticks there. What causes this is a failed auto air control valve. So you want to get your 1/4 ratchet 8mm socket, and you want to get this off. First, you want to unhook your electrical connector from it. I do have the battery unplugged just because we're working with electronics and I don't want to damage anything. So you want to take this off. Also, another thing that you would want to do is replace the gasket underneath. That's just something that I would do if I was doing this basically like on the first time with this vehicle. The gasket has been replaced. Ooh, that's not supposed to happen. Hold this. Yeah, that's not supposed to happen. Hold on. Okay, so let me tell you what you don't do. You do not torque on that bolt hard, because what I just did is ripped the metal stud out of the plastic intake. Good news is 4 bolts and this comes off. Problem is there's no gasket made for it no more for the bottom of it. So I'm gonna have to go and get the spare part that I have for this and put it on there. So yeah, let me go get that. I'll put that on. All right, new part is in. New gasket. Motorcraft part number is CX1791. There you go, new part. This is a Ford Motorcraft part. Let me get this out of the box. It is very dark over here if you can't tell now. Now, let's find the one bolt, and I gotta dig through this bag of spare parts to find the other bolt that came off the old assembly. I'm sorry if this is very shaky. We have a tornado warning out, and I'm working in a tornado warning. 1 second. All right, pretty eerie actually. The sirens haven't went off yet. I found the other bolt, by the way. You want to tighten these down, mostly by hand here. There is no torque spec that I'm aware of. Let me do this by hand like this. Now my fingers do get caught in the camera every once in a while. I'm sorry about that. This is a brand new Pro gasket under this auto valve, by the way. You want to tighten each side just a little bit at a time until you're snug. And once you get snugged up, that's it. You do not want to tighten this tight or you'll pull the stud out like I did. Also, do not forget your electrical connector. Plug that in and everything is in. Now, I'm going to get the engine cover. I'll be right back. So, here's my engine cover. I'm going to go ahead and affix this to this. Line up all the pegs, push that through, put the 4 screws in, and then I'll be done. So, that is how you replace your auto air control valve on your 99 Ford Explorer 4-liter single overhead cam engine. I'm sorry about the wind. The wind is picking up hard. I'm going to go ahead, put these 4 bolts in, fire the vehicle up, and then I'm going to head in the house and get out of the storm. I thank you all so much for sticking with me, even on this crazy upload schedule. Thank you guys so much for the support. Love you guys. Be well, stay safe, God bless. Lee's Automotive. I'm your host, Randy. Goodbye.